My name is Marie, and welcome to Learn English and Practice. Today we will learn agreement and disagreement. Yes and no. Speak, listen, and practice. Keywords: yes, no, yes, I like, no, I do not like, yes, I am, no, I am not. Listen. Are you tall? No, I am not tall. Are you short? Yes, I am short. Are you short? Yes, I am short. Let's practice. Me first, then you. Are you tall? No, I am not tall. Yes, I am short. You first. Yes, I am tall. Are you tall? Are you short? You try. Pause the video and practice. Listen. Do you like pizza? Yes, I like pizza. Do you like pizza? No, I do not like pizza. Why? I do not like cheese. Practice. I'll go first. Do you like pizza? Why? Yes, I like pizza. You first. No, I do not like pizza. I do not like sauce. Do you like pizza? Practice. Pause the video and practice. Listen. Do you like cats? Yes, I like cats. Do you like cats? No, I do not like cats. They are mean. They are not mean. Yes, they are. Me first, then you. Do you like cats? Yes, I like cats. I like dogs too. Yes, they are. You first. No, I do not like cats. Do you like cats? I do like dogs. They are friendly. Practice. Pause the video and practice. Challenge. Here are 3 questions. Are you tall? Do you like pizza? Do you like cats? Pause the video and practice with these questions. Great job! You can view other beginner lessons on this channel, and there is an intermediate lesson on this. Thank you. Like, comment, and subscribe.